Welcome. This affirmation is designed to strengthen your health, fill your body with life energy, and restore harmony. Your body is a wise system that constantly renews and heals itself. Every thought, every word you repeat forms new neural connections in the brain. When you focus your attention and positive thoughts on health, your subconscious accepts them as seeds, and the body responds with strength, restoration, and vitality. Thoughts are truly material. The more often you repeat affirmations, the deeper they become anchored in the subconscious, the more your inner state changes, and the faster your body responds to these new beliefs. These affirmations will help you feel confident in your body, release fears, and fill yourself with new strength. Listen to them every day, especially in the morning and before sleep. For the best results, you can set this recording on repeat and let it play throughout the night, allowing the affirmations to work more deeply, building new neural pathways even while you sleep. At the end of this recording, you will hear gentle sounds of nature that will help you relax and allow your body to restore itself during sleep. Take a deep breath and a slow exhale. Feel how with every breath you are filled with light, health, and energy. Allow these words to flow into your subconscious. Repeat them silently, or simply listen with trust and openness. My body is healthy and full of energy. Every cell in my body renews and heals itself. I am grateful for my body's strength and resilience. I am filled with life energy. I feel lightness and health in my body. My thoughts create my physical well-being. I allow myself to be strong and healthy. Each day, I become more energetic. My body works in harmony and balance. I trust the natural healing processes of my body. I am full of inner strength and energy. I choose health and joy. With every breath, I fill myself with energy. My organs work smoothly and harmoniously. I release stress and allow my body to relax. I feel strong and confident. My body is my ally. I nourish my body with care and love. I am grateful for my strong health. I find joy in movement and activity. I feel energy flowing within me. I let go of fatigue and weakness. I allow energy to flow freely through my body. I choose a healthy lifestyle. I trust the wisdom of my body. I feel calmness and inner balance. My breath fills me with strength. I release illness and choose health. I feel a surge of life energy every day. I am grateful for the gift of being alive and healthy. I find inspiration in my body. I am full of energy to achieve my goals. My muscles are strong and powerful. My immune system is reliable and resilient. I feel harmony in my entire body. My heart beats in the rhythm of health and joy. I allow myself to be energetic and active. I radiate health and strength. I trust the natural processes of recovery. I find balance between rest and activity. Every day, my body grows stronger. I am thankful for the energy always available to me. I discover new sources of vitality. My body heals itself easily and naturally. I feel lightness in every movement. I allow my body to be flexible and resilient. I accept health as my natural state. My body deserves care and attention. I gratefully receive my energy. I feel vibrant and active. I release tension and fill myself with calmness. My body is a source of strength and joy. Each day, I strengthen my health. I feel an energy boost every morning. I am filled with inner light. I allow myself to be healthy. I rejoice in every day full of energy. My body renews and restores itself. I find joy in caring for myself. I trust the natural energy of life. I radiate health into every area of my life. I am filled with steady, peaceful strength. I value my body and take good care of it. I am grateful for my strong health. I find harmony in movement. My body adapts to any circumstances. I feel energy flowing through me. I release fatigue and allow myself to rest. I deserve health and strength. I allow my body to be in perfect balance. I am grateful for the energy that fills every day. I find inspiration in the feeling of health. My body functions perfectly. I feel joy in my body. I am filled with energy and confidence. I allow myself to be strong and resilient. I trust life and its energy. I am thankful for health in all its forms. I find inner strength within myself. I radiate energy that supports me and others. My body is a source of joy and strength. I choose to be healthy and energetic. I feel harmony and lightness within. I embrace life in all its fullness and energy. Feel how your body is filled with light, strength, and calmness. Take a deep breath and a slow exhale. Allow these words to settle into your subconscious. From this moment on, health and energy will always be with you. Now, let the sounds of nature carry you into a state of peace and renewal. May they help you drift into sleep while your body restores itself.